Hi guys, welcome back for another video. I thought we would do a no makeup 5-minute quick, easy, reliable makeup routine today because I have somewhere to be in like 10 minutes and we only have like 5 to do our makeup. Also, if I'm squinting, I'm standing directly in front of my window. I feel like this is the best lighting I've had so far. I also have this massive disgusting pimple in like the most inconvenient spot. It hurts so bad. I'm just gonna stand like this for the entirety of the video because yeah, this is like really bad. As always, the products will be linked in the description box down below. And yeah, let's get started. Because we're not doing makeup today, wait, what? Okay, because we're not doing foundation today, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This is in the shade 2.5. Mine is definitely expired. I can literally smell that it's expired, but this is $70, so I will be using every last drop. I used to think that this broke me out, but I reintroduced it back into my routine and so far it's been pretty good. I feel like it gives a very natural coverage and I think it is so perfect for those days where you just don't want to wear makeup, and it's so quick and easy as well. Like that blended out so fast. For concealer, I'm using my holy grail, which is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I have 2 shades, light beige and vanilla. I'm gonna take vanilla under my eyes, just like the tiniest amount. Okay, I guess this isn't that tiny. Then we're gonna take light beige and put it on the rest of my face, on the nose, under the cheekbones, on the chin, over here. Concealer is just so reliable. I use it so often when I don't want to wear foundation. I don't really wear foundation on a daily basis anymore because I feel like it's way too heavy, but this concealer is just so perfect. It blends so seamlessly and it's just the perfect amount of coverage. It's not too matte, it's not too dewy. I'm meeting up with my friend today and we're going to the cutest little cafe that just opened nearby. And I'm so excited to drink coffee. I already drank 1 coffee. You can see it like right there. And I'm gonna be drinking my second coffee before like 11 a.m. I literally have a problem and I can't stop. Ever since I got my Nespresso like a year ago, I have been on this coffee kick. I just love everything there is to love about coffee. Like, if I could drink like 5 coffees a day, I would, because I just love it. It just makes me so productive. Having a bad day and I'll drink coffee and my problems are all solved. They're all gone. The concealer is looking so good. This is the perfect base. I'm only going to be using cream products for both my blush and my bronzer. I'm gonna go in first with bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin bronzer. I feel like I'm almost about to hit pan on this, which is so difficult to do because it's gigantic. Like, it's huge. Just taking it on this Makeup by Mario brush. If you couldn't already tell, I love this brush so much. I use it every single time I do my makeup and just blending it out. Do you see how that just added the most sun-kissed, warmth, glowy look to my skin? Like, that was perfect. This is like a perfect everyday cream bronzer. I feel like sometimes cream bronzers can be really heavy on the skin, but this is amazing. For blush, I've been obsessed with this one lately. It's the Rhode Sleepy Girl. It's literally just, it's the perfect fall winter shade. You just need that much, and just blending it in with the same brush on the other side. I really want to pick up Rhode Toasted Teddy and then also Tan Line. I honestly just want them all, but a $38 blush, is it worth it? I don't feel like these are too long lasting, so if I need to be somewhere for like 3 hours, like, I will wear it because I don't need my makeup to stay that long, but the colors are just so gorgeous. Set it in. Instead of going in with a loose powder, I'm using this Kosas Cloud Set. Mine is broken because I have been using and abusing this powder for years. Pretty sure this powder is also expired, but this is such a lightweight powder that I love using it on days where I'm wearing like a no makeup makeup look or just a natural makeup look, especially in the spring and summer. You can put as much as you want and it won't look cakey. Honestly, don't know what to do with this pimple. Should I just go over it with a powder puff? That hurts. I'm just gonna stop and let it be because it's too big to even try to cover up. That is pretty much the base. I'm gonna go in and set with Urban Decay All Nighter. For mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess, the pink one, and just brushing through my lashes. Look at the difference between lashes. Wow. For lips, I'm using Rhode in this shade Stretch. Oh my god, I have to go over the pimple, don't I? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it out. Comes with like a silicone blender. I feel like this shade is the perfect mix between a mauve lip liner and a brown lip liner. Topping it off with the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Birthday Cake. This is the finished makeup look. I think it's the perfect everyday makeup look. Let me know if you guys decide to recreate this and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.